Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to apply for Canadian passport for newborn baby step by step. First we need to open our web browser and write down here how to apply Canadian passport for newborn baby. Click here. Here you can see the first link canada.ca. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. Now I click on that link. How to apply for child passport in Canada. How can apply for a child passport. Forms, instructions and fee. Answer the question below. And when do you need to passport? I click here. 2 to 9 business days. Who are you applying for? I apply for my child. A child. Was the child mostly recent passport loss, stolen, damage? None of above. Click here. How to apply for child passport? Get it in 2 to 9 business days. Complete the form. Complete the form. Fill out the form on your computer and save the time. Save the form on your computer and use Adobe Reader 10 or higher. Do not use the phone or tablet. The form will not work properly. Now we need to download the child passport application PPTC 155. Click here and download. Here you can see child journal passport application. Type or print capital letters using black or dark blue ink. Child personal information. Here we fill child personal information. Surname, I fill here Ajla. Given name Sanveer Singh. All former surname including surname at birth if different from above. This will not appear in the passport. I leave this blank. Place of birth Edmonton. Country Canada. Province Alberta. Anticipated date of travel. If you have any plan, then you can enter here randomly any date like this, and if you do not have any plan, then you can leave it. Date of birth. Here you need to fill your child date of birth, sex male, and natural eyes color brown, height 53 centimeter. Current home address. Your and your child home address is the same. I fill here number, street, city, province and postal code. If the mailing address is same, then you do not need to enter here any address, and if the address is different, then you have to enter here mailing address. And child under 16 of age are not required to sign at the application form. Leave this baby signature section blank. Do not try to sign the baby's name or write anything there. Information of applicant, parent and other parent. Section K. Is your child is adoption? No. Are there any separation agreement? No. A relationship between the applicant, parent or legal guarantor. Here you can drop down and select option. I select married and date of marriage. Here you need to fill your marriage date. Applicant parent. Here I fill mother information and here is a father information. Current surname Ajla, given name Sandeep, and date of birth, country of birth, mother country of birth, current home address, telephone number and email ID. Here we need a signature of mother, date and signed at Edmonton, Alberta. Here we need to enter information related to father, current surname Ajala, given name and date of birth, country, current home address, province, postal code, telephone number, email address. Here we need to signature of father, date and signed at city and province. Previous Canadian travel documents. has a Canadian travel document, passport, certificate of identity, or refugee travel documents. If you have, you fill here number and issue date, and we have not, so I fill no. Proof of Canadian citizenship, provide a one-off document, Canadian provincial and territorial birth certificate. I click here and I fill here the registration number and date of issue. Declaration of applicant, surname, last name of applicant Ojala, given name of the applicant Sandeep. Here I fill the mother information, relation of the child mother. Surname, last name of the child Ojala, given name of child Sanveer Singh, and signature of applicant. Here need a signature of mother, and date signed at city and province. Declaration of grantor. The grantor must know the applicant identified the section 5. Surname, last name in the passport. Here we fill all the information related to grantor, given name, date of birth, Canadian passport number, date of issue and date of expiry, relation to the applicant, friend, parent or legal grantor, and telephone number, current home address, city, province, postal code, full name of applicant, parent or legal guardian, Sandeepka Ojala, and full name of child Sanveer Singh Ojala. I have know the applicant, parent or legal grantor, number of the year. Here you write down the number of year like 5, 7, how many, and signature of grantor here, date, signed at city and province. Emergency contact information. Here you can fill father information, surname, given name, relation to the child, father, telephone number, email ID, current home address, same, mother, child and father. If they live together, then you need to enter same address, city, province and postal code. Child journal passport application. Requirements checklist. Here you can read all the requirements which we need for apply passport, and here you can see fees. 5-year validity, Canadian dollar 57 for children. Method of payment, in person application we do not need fill this section, and if credit card information, visa, name of appears on card Sandeepka Ojala and card number, date of expiry, name of child Sanveer Singh Ojala, and here we need to fill amount $57 and signature of mother Sandeepka Ojala, card holder, and date. If you apply by mail, you can check here address for mailing. Here you can see child personal information, signature. Here you can read information about signature. Canadian passport photo instructions. Here you can see photo instruction, and now you are ready to apply for Canadian passport for newborn baby. Please subscribe, like and share my channel for watching more videos related to form. Thank you everyone.